Hi, this is a tutorial to show you how easy it is to put wheelie bin labels onto your bin. So we've got here what we've just received in the mail. So your street address and your favourite little character. First of all, we want to clean the bin down, so just grab some Windex, give it a little spray and a wipe, and just make sure your bin's actually dry before you put the sticker onto it. After that, just peel the backing tape off like this. Position it where you want it and as straight as you can get it. I'm just using a credit card type of thing to put it on with. Just go from the center outwards. Make sure it's all down, nice and firm. When you're pulling this off, if you can just make sure you pull down towards the bin, just like this. If you have a letter that hasn't stuck on properly, just give it a little quick press with your finger. Perfect. We've got a little golfer here, so we're going to put him on. So just position it where you want it. And same thing. I also recommend not doing this in the sun when your bin's hot. It makes it really difficult, so if you can put it into the shade or on a cooler day, it's heaps easier. And that's it, all done.
Press free.